Hello guys, it's Valentine's evening today. So happy Valentine's all. So we just early, we have a fireworks here. We did not bring the camera early. So I'm going to shop because they just drinking there. My mom, they drinking in my mom's house.
I got.
Let's see here. Chris is not drinking, he just sit down there. Are you drinking?
No.
Are you drinking?
No, not at all.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm positive.
So that, what's it called that?
Hey, it's happy.
That looks to me, guys, like catfish.
Catfish.
But what do you call that?
Catfish. Hito.
Catfish. Hito.
Ito?
He won. But there's two Hito.
No, I think he lost. So it is Valentine's evening, and the family, some of the families at Orban,
The Hito were cremated.
doing the karaoke. Yes, I think somebody got excited
Para ka naman.
because it's
Inuman man kami tigleo.
Yo.
May corner pa kami. Kami tigleo.
So that's Beanie, and apparently apparently she's not eating much rice these days. Apparently.
It's BS.
Oh, is it BS?
What's BS?
Bullshit.
My God.
That-
I like rice, but I'm slim.
You slim? Oh. Yeah,
I'm just maintain eating rice.
because you're only young. You're only 18.
Yes. And so
Yeah. But what about when you get to 20, 25?
I need a balanced diet.
Yes, you do.
Yes. And also exercise.
But
What is the meaning of balanced diet?
I don't
it
I
means
didn't know it.
you have to balance your diet with good vegetables and good healthy things, not just crap. That's basically what it means.
Eat more.
Yeah,
Here.
plenty of red horse on your diet is very good.
Yes.
Yeah. Mel, what's your diet? What's your diet?
I don't have diet.
You don't have diet?
So I'm more bigger.
Is it, are you on a seafood diet? You seafood and you eat it? Yes, I like them diets. So, by the looks of it, I charged this battery 100%. We've not used it, and now it's 22%. How's that one work? Did you change the battery?
No.
Oh, right, that's why. Okay. So I thought you might enjoy what it's like to live in the Philippines, and you've got a lovely large family and they've got friends, and the friends come round and they enjoy a little
So
drink
then
and
you
some.
money shop.
Oh yeah, they did like a brick thing on the front of the shop, but they stopped here. You see, they didn't go up to the top, and they didn't go over there, and they didn't go over there. It's just, I don't know. But I mean, it looks good. It looks better than it was. So, as you can see, it's always very busy on this road in the evening. And we went into Centro. We did the Valentine rose or chocolate video. I don't know if you've seen it before this or after this or whatever, but I'm hoping that video encourages more people to subscribe and watch our videos, and if it doesn't, then I'll cry because I sponsored the video. So would we be doing more videos similar, Mel, if we get support?
Viral.
Yeah, if we get support.
Yeah, of course.
So that's it, guys. It's a very quick video. I just wanted to show you what we're doing on Valentine's evening. We've been invited out tomorrow evening for an evening meal with Rob and Murray. So that we're looking forward to that. So that should be good. So that's it, guys. It's just goodbye.
Goodbye, happy Valentine's everyone.
Yeah. Chuck,
Chok. He's so busy. On
say
his
goodbye, Chuck.
On his side.
No, I don't mean say goodbye, Chuck. I mean say goodbye. That's it. Say goodbye.
Bye, Auntie.
Over to you.
Please hit the like button.
And please subscribe and share our videos. Very important to share our videos. Keep sharing them, guys. Get us some more subscribers. Love you all. See you on the next one.